Hi, this is Dave Fletcher. I've got a couple of ideas for you. Got a question for you first. What do you want to get out of a meeting when you go to a builder open? What are you looking for when you go? You're looking for the food, the networking, I understand that. You want to see the model, that's great. But there's something else. In fact, there are two that you should be looking for. One, you want to see the site table, and what you need to do is ask one of the on-site people before you sit down to show you the site table or the site map, if that happens to be the case. Because you want to know what the incentives are, the urgencies are. You want to know what the urgencies are for people to buy at that particular place. The other thing you want to do is get the macro location story. You want to know about the shopping center and the YMCA that's being built, the new school that's coming in, whatever. But you want to get that story in addition to all the wonderful things about the subdivision or the community itself. After that, you want that on-site agent to introduce you to the top-selling co-broker that's working with them. That person will be there if they're in town usually. What you want to do is find out why this broker enjoys working with this particular builder so much. What have they done to become the number one and number two top-selling broker for this builder over the last year? There's something good here. Also, I'll probably ask, are there any builders in the general area that you'd prefer not to work with? Just general conversation, got what I want, now I'm going to eat, network, whatever. If I get called away on short notice, I'm good to go because I've accomplished my two objectives.